Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nokia 3210 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So first of all we have to open the camera app, and you can do it either with the usage of this right button if you've got this camera shortcut here. If not, you can simply enter the menu just by pressing this middle button. Go right to the camera, press select, and your device will open the camera app. So now we have to open the settings, so press the left button. Now go down to the timer, press select, and in this device we've got 4 different options, so no timer, 3, 5 or 10 seconds delay. I will choose 10 seconds delay, just mark it. And now press the middle button. As you can see, from now on your device will count down from 10, 5 or 3 depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will take a photo. Alright, we've got it. Of course we can turn it off. Just enter the settings again, go to the timer, select and choose 0. And from now on your device will take photos right after touching pressing the shutter button, which is the middle button too. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.